Welcome to clickmyproject.com. My project title is Foreign Direct Investment in the Development of Indian Economies, that is FDI. The FDI is important for the FDI is economically growth in development country. It affected the economic growth by stimulating domestic investment, increasing the human capital formations. Main purpose of studying investment in important on economic growth in India. The main part is Walmart. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporations. This company world's second largest public corporations, biggest private employee in the world with over 2 million employee and working our company, over 11,000 stores in 27 countries under 55 different names. FDI is a direct investment into the product or business in the country by an individual or company of another country, either by buying companies in the largest country or by expanding operations of exiting business in the country. The models: Walmart countries and Walmart shipping, Walmart creating and Walmart expansion. Walmart country creating foreign country detail. The detail contain country name, retailer name, money values of year. Creations used to for all the level of foreign country informations. And next go to the flow diagrams. Go to the flow diagram. This is a flow diagram for a company. Modules. First module is country, Walmart country. Start the country and go to the country name, country attributes, product name and product attribute. Save to the databases. Next, shipping. Shipping is go to creating the shipping and shipping product, shipping informations to the product and local transport country and cost of shipping. Crediting the shipping, crediting country and product, shipping, transport and crediting and deposit and crediting. Finally the cost of range. That is flow diagrams. Next, how to run a project. First, open the project and changing to our connection string. After, build a solution. The build solution is any error is indicating to the building process. Next, go to run the project. Start debugging. This is a project. The Walmart's logo is displaying for my project first form. And next, go to the login form. Walmart is a save money and save life better. Save money and life better. This is a home page. These all logos are in a company product logo. Old country storage and American Express and FedEx corporations, Major Jones and McDonald and etc. These all are logo for our companies. First of all, Walmart countries. Walmart country is containing to the all detail for country names and product name. This displaying to the all country names, country name and company name, CEO, company details, website and headquarters of our companies. And product details, which company name, product name and product rating, product type, product details. That is including to the all our country details. Next, Walmart shipping. Walmart shipping is a two-part. One is shipping creations and shipping product. Shipping creation is a creating to the product shipping the product. That is local product, local retail values and local transaction, transport country and total cost of selling product, shipping product. And shipping product, it is only for particular viewing. All are storing to the previously storing the product details And next of all is choosing the drop down list. Click to list of product name and selecting to your product. After click select your product, that is displayed to the overview of our product details, shipping number, shipping product, and shipping informations, retailer, local transport, and country names, country name, and cost of our price, shipping price. Next, crediting is a selling and buying details. It is entering to the product name, and deposit amount 5,000, current stock and current rate of our shipping product, and Indian currency, selling stock. This full details, and finally displaying to the value of selling, total selling rate, that is selling rate, and the same for the buying prices, buying rate of our product name and deposit, current stock and stock details, Indian currency rate, and buying details all are filling in our products. And next, Walmart expansions. So Walmart expansion is analyzing product details. Analyze product details. It is a blue line is a Walmart, and yellow line Target, red finally red is a saving. Walmart is a expectations of another country. Target is selling target for every year, and finally saving this saving is other country. This is my country for saving, including to the Walmart product. Yes, this is nothing but this is direct investing to the foreign country after saving process, that is saving process. That's all. FTA is a three type of FTA: horizontal FTA, platform FTA, and vertical FTA. Horizontal FTA is a film duplicate in the home country based activity at the same value change stage in the host country. Platform FTA, FTA foreign directory investment from the source country into the destination country for purpose of exporting to the third country. Vertical FTA takes place when the frame FTA move upstream or downstream in different value chain, that is when frame perform value adding activities stage by stage in a vertical fashion in a host country. FTA may be associated with the improved economically growth to the inflection of capital and increasing tax revenue for the host country. Host country often try to change FTA investment into the new infrastructure and other projects to the boost development. For India, the foreign investment for introduction in 1991 under foreign exchange management, deriving by the finance minister Manmohan Singh as a suitable becomes a prime minister, being the one of the top political problem. Starting from the baseline of less than 1 billion in 1990s. At 2012 abstract survey project, India is the second most important FTA designations for the transaction cooperating during 2010 and 2012. As per the data, the sector then attracting higher infrastructure where service, telecommunication, construction activities, and computer software and hardware, and etc. Advantages of FTA. The advantages of FTA: to study the trend and pattern for flow in FTA, access the terminating the FTA infrastructure, evaluating the impact FTA on Indian economies, to know the flow of investment in India.